Welcome back to the Workbench. I want to thank you for taking the time for clicking on this video and joining me in my shop. This is a start of a new series where I'm going to do just a vlog style of what's going on in the shop, what I've been working on. You know, you probably don't know, but leatherwork's not my full-time job, but it is something I'm passionate about. I started this channel so I could grow a community of leatherworkers and other craftsmen interested in learning. So I don't know, I'm just trying to switch gears. Not everything I do in here is worth videoing, so when I think of something that I just want to share, I'm going to do these vlog videos. So for the last month, I've been thinking about how I can put my content out there and grow sales, and I've decided I'm going to start doing a belt of a month special where I take 10 orders of a certain style of belt for that month, and then that gives me time to complete that order, and then I'll kick off another belt for the next month. And hopefully this works. I don't know, it's trying. So for the first one in front of you, I've got some belts here. I'm gonna do my decorative stitch belts in either rough out or smooth out leather. So I've made these samples for my customers for the website. I've got the 4 different stitch patterns I'm gonna do, and then I went ahead and stitched up these little panels of all the thread that I have so customers can get an idea of what I'll be able to offer. I hope this works. I think it's a good idea. I guess I'll let you know. Outside of that, I was cleaning my shop and I found a few other things. Hold on for a minute. So here we go. So back before YouTube, there wasn't a lot of places. I think these were produced in 1994 and they are VHS tapes. I don't even have a machine to watch these anymore, but I gotta really thank Jeremiah Watt for taking the time and putting these videos out for me when I was a younger maker. I'd love to hear from you guys, who inspired you to get into leatherwork, and what you're passionate about. Go ahead and put the comments in below and join me for my next videos.